Hey guys, this is Hispaniola Beauty. I'm coming on to you today with this raw review on Yolissa's Hair. I came across this company from YouTube a couple days ago, and I literally stay up all night reading all different reviews, but not one time did I come across any review of anyone that actually purchased the hair with their own money. Literally every review that I viewed, um, they were sent the hair. However, I was in need for some hair because I want to make a Beyonce wig, and I wanted to get some affordable hair that I can use and dye it and not break the bank. So I decided to go with Yolissa's Hair Body Wave Hair. I just got home today from working, and I also went working out today, and the package is here. So this is an unboxing video, and also you are going to get exactly how I feel about this hair, and you will be seeing this hair for the first time like I am. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get this hair rolling. Alright, first to begin with, I ordered 4 bundles, a 20 inch, a 22 inch, 24 and 26. They were having a sale, which was not that much anyway, so the total came up to $188 and some change. Okay, to start off, well, let me back up a little bit. Before I decided to make this review, I did went ahead and opened this package here. There were a very strong odor coming out of this hair. It smelled really bad to me. It smelled like fish. I am very turned off by the odor, and this is why I decided to jump on camera and finish out, open up everything, and fill the hair right in front of you guys, so I can tell you guys my honest opinion, because we all spending our corn and we're not rich here, okay? And I want to make sure I get the best deal for my box. All right, so all right, so here you have it. This is 4 bundles. Oh, the hair smells so bad without even opening it right now, and it's the smell is coming out of the package. It smells like really bad to a point I don't even want to open the hair. This is the package it come in. Nothing special. This is just a DHL bag. Here, hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, so this is 22. Oh my god, the hair smells so bad, you guys. The little wrap they got going around the bundle is cute. It's pink. It's my favorite color. The curls pattern look really pretty. The hair is soft. However, this is not cuticle aligned hair. I say this because there's a whole bunch of flyaways, and I don't know what you call these in English, but I don't know if you guys can see that, but this hair here is I don't know, this is weird. So this is the 22 inch. Here, I'm running my finger through it. Okay, it does not shed, guys. I don't know if you can see, I'm running my fingers all the way through the bottom. It doesn't shed. Oh, the width of the hair is super thin, which remind me, by the way, of this hair that I ordered a couple months ago from Eunice's Hair. I'm still so pissed off about that hair. I watch a girl YouTube called Tierra Walker or something like that. She's very popular, and she's an advocate for Eunice's Hair, and then this other chick, I'm sorry, I can't remember her name, but they all lies, because when that hair came in, I right away dyed the hair, which is why I'm ordering this, by the way, because the first hair that I ordered from Unice Hair, which I spent $224 on, I did never get to install the hair. In fact, I still have it here. I dyed the hair. It's so thin. The hair will not change color. It's ugly. It feels like plastic. It's by far the worst hair I've ever gotten. Like, let's go back for a little bit. I stopped ordering hair from AliExpress. Initially, when I first heard about AliExpress was about 5 years ago, and I ordered hair from a company called Acme Cheek. I remember ordering 5 bundles of Peruvian, and the hair was amazing. I still have their hair till this day, and it's been 5 years. I've dyed the hair, I've cut the hair, and it's like I said, it's the best hair I've ever had, but I cannot find the company anymore. So I decided from now on I was going to order hair from American based company, because I was scared to order anything from AliExpress. However, these American based companies charge you arms and a leg for their bundles, and I don't have that kind of money. So this is why I decided to take to YouTube to view some companies and order some hair, and I came across Yolissa's Hair. And again, this is my first time ordering from this company. So far, this bundle, the hair is pretty. It doesn't shed. I'm running my finger through it. It's not shedding. However, the hair it smells so bad. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the smell out. I mean, I'm very OCD, so I'm not going to install this hair without washing it anyway. But still, the width of this hair is really thin. I do not think that this is a lot for your money, but let me look through all the rest of them. Okay, so this is the 26-inch. Hope you guys can see that. The 26-inch is pretty long for a 26. It's still pretty thick. Right, so I run my finger through it. Nothing is coming out. Again, I don't like the fact that the width is so thin, but that's not too much of a deal breaker for me. There's a lot of hair sticking up from up here. I don't know if you guys can see this. I don't know if you guys can see that. And there's a whole bunch of gray hair. There's some white and pink strand through the hair. I don't know what that means. All right, that was the 26. Okay, so this is the 24. Again, it still smells really, really bad. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of sheddings in this 24 bundle. As I run my finger through it, a couple strings coming out. not too shabby. So this is the 24 Brazilian body wave. Okay, and lastly, this is the 20-inch, because I've gotten a 20, 22, 24, and a 26-inch. Hope you guys can see that. Hope you guys can see. This is a big sale. It's a, sorry guys, by the way, I know I look rough. Like I said, I'm just coming home from the gym. I literally got off work, went straight to the gym. I just came home, no makeup on. This is as well as you're gonna get. In my gym clothes, and I just had to get this review out because I know there's not that many of those on YouTube. Everyone's wanna give a review, but they always sent the hair, and I'm sure they sent them their best batch. But I'm paying my corn, my hard work and money, and I know there are many of you guys out there who would like to see an authentic review from someone who's paid out of pocket, and here you have it. Okay, so this is the 20-inch. This is very short for a 20-inch in my opinion. I've had plenty 20-inch before. To me, this look like an 18-inch. Okay, this is supposed to be 20-inch, and like in my hair right now, I have a 3-year-old a U-part wig that I made. This hair is from her hair company, Brazilian deep wave, deep curly, I'm sorry. And this hair been through everything, and the longest inch in this hair is 18-inch. And if I put it next to this, as you can see, this, yeah, because my hair is all out here, and if I put this right here against to my Brazilian hair from her hair company, which my longest inch is 18-inch, this is the exact same length. As a matter of fact, the hair in my hair may be just a little bit longer than the one of Yolissa Hair. So I don't know where they're getting their measurement from, but this is not a 20-inch hair. This is 18-inch, of which, by the way, I'm really not happy about that. Overall, I think this hair, to me, for the first time ever in ordering from that company, I was expecting better than this. According to all the reviews that I've seen on YouTube, again, everyone was talking about, including Malibu Dollface. I've watched a review from him. I really trust him as well, and I'm highly disappointed because this hair smells so bad. There's so many different color pattern going on here, okay? And this bundle particularly is only of 18-inch, I believe, and this is supposed to be a 20-inch. Nevertheless, that's not what bothering me the most about this hair. What I am very concerned with is this strong odor coming out of this hair. Babe, you want to come smell this hair? Because it smells just like fish. Anyway, he doesn't want to do it, but I'm telling you guys, this smells just like fish or something rotten. And I'm going to dye this hair into a honey blonde, perhaps a little lighter, and I'm going to make a unit out of this hair, and I'm going to give you guys an update of how this hair hold up from the dyeing process, and also how it does through the sewing process and how much it will out. Because right now, for my initial thought about this hair, it's not that great. I will rate this hair maybe a 5 out of 10. Now I know people might think I'm a little harsh about the hair, but this is 4 bundles. As you guys can see, this is not that much hair. I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, okay? Because this is just $188, and we all know that's pretty cheap for some really good hair. And this is what I was afraid about. I do hair and I make units, I do other people hair, and I've got some great hair, but I also have paid lots of money for those awesome hair. And this hair here is truly what one will say you get what you pay for, because this to me is not, I don't know, I'm not too thrilled with this hair, okay? It smells so bad. I feel like I need to go ahead and take me a bath and wash the smell off of me. Anyway, guys, so this is it. This is Yolissa Hair from AliExpress. I believe they have their own company as well. I will leave a link below from where I got the hair from. Again, the spec of the hair is Brazilian body wave. I've got 4 bundles, a 26, 24, 22, and 20. I did order a closure, a 5x5 closure for this hair, but I did not order it from the same company because I was afraid, according to the review, I didn't think they have the best closure. The closure came in as well. It's from a company called KL. It was on the same day. It was on the same ticket from AliExpress, but a different vendor. KL Hair. And in my opinion, and I've already opened this box, by the way, as you can see, I will do a different review on this, but this is, to me, is better, and this was very cheap. I'm talking about I paid $38 for this, and I've paid $100 for closures before, of which I think this is way better. So this is a 5x5 closure. This is how large it is, and the hair doesn't shed. It doesn't smell. There's no different color gray hair going on. I will leave a link where I got this closure from. I also will do a separate review for this closure. I may do one tonight, so if you see me in the same attire, don't judge me, okay? I just want to get this video out here because I know there are many of you guys searching for real life, you know, people that paid their coin with good reviews. Here you have it. Thank you. Leave your comment below, and if anything you want to know about this hair, you leave me a comment. I will reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Thank you. Bye.